to take a look in unboxing a JBL Live Beam 3. I'm so excited to be reviewing these. There's a smart case and the earbuds there as well. Very standard JBL packaging, always looks really nice. Let's pop open the box and have a look. So to start with, there's a smart charging case. So I'm going to go back to that in a minute. I want to look at the smart charging case and the earbuds first. So there you can see, there it is just there. So we're going to pop this open. Now as we do that as well, you've got your different ear tips you can use. Just closed ear design earbuds, but you can use those depending on what you want to do with it. So pop that open. So there is the case just there. Now look at that compared to the size of my hand. Very, very good size. Not too small. Pop it open and there are the earbuds in there. So there they are. Now they're closed stick design earbuds. So which means that's the design of them. So we'll take that one out and bring it. So bring them both together. See, there they are just there. I'll take the blue off as well. Now the blue stops it from connecting the smart charging case. So take that off. Stuck to my hand. It's a bit silly, isn't it? And so there they are there. Now, as you can see, you can control the earbuds by pressing the JBL logos on each side. And then they're the earbuds there. You can use different earbud tips like we spoke about earlier. You've got 6 microphones in each of these as well. So that's we're going to talk a bit more in the review about how good they are. But there are the earbuds there. Now, if we go back to the case, now when we put them in the case will actually switch on. So let's do that now. Let's get the right side. They're also different style. Normally with JBL earbuds, they don't normally go angles like that. That's a nice little touch. Close it. Okay, now the earbuds themselves have 12 hours battery life in each earbud, which is really good. And in the case, you get another 36 hours, which is fantastic. It's USB-C charging as well, as you can see there. But it's a good size case. Now there's the LCD screen that comes up. Now it's a 1.6 inch LCD screen. Now let's go and have a look at some of the features of it. So as you can see there, you can tailor it depending on. So you can turn it on there. And there's a screen there, so you can actually go and adjust it depending on what you want. So if we go, so that's the to play music, that's to increase the sound volume. You've got the ambient sound, noise cancelling there, spatial sound. So these are different types of sound, which we'll go to in a review. Timer as well, screen brightness, we've got on full at the moment. You've got the lock screen wallpaper, which you can change. But you can control your whole phone right here with this as well. It's really good. That's voice aware, so people can hear you. Auto play and pause. Message preview as well, so you get your messages through on here as well, and your Find My Buds as well, and also a flashlight too. Look at that, isn't that dazzling? How do I switch? I switch that off just by pressing that. So also gives you the amount of Bluetooth. You can also control this through your phone as well, which we'll show you guys shortly as well. But there you go, very, very nifty. Now I actually use this all the time with my JBL Tool Pro 2. I find it really, really good. You can put your own pictures on here as well if you want to. So let's go look back at the earbuds themselves. So go and have a look. So they've got what you call Personi-Fi 3.0, which basically matches the audio to your personal listening profile and does interactive customization, which is really good. So it's a great feature these have got. You can also use this JBL headphones app as well, which we'll go through shortly. Works very well. And you've got multi-point connection with these as well. Now again, IP55 water and dust proof too. So you can use them out running at the gym, which we'll be doing later. But there they are there. They're really, really nice pair of, really nice pair of earbuds just there. Go back and have a look at the box. So if we go and put these back in the case. Now again, the case is magnetic too. So as you can see, you can't drop it, you can't move it. It's really good. Go back to the box. What have we got? So we've got the standard JBL box. So we've got the USB-C charging cable in here, just there, the orange one. We've got the start guide as well, and a bit about how to set them up and what to do with them. But obviously, Mr. Yu is going to show you guys all that shortly. So, yeah, as you can see, a great pair of earbuds. I'm so stoked that we got hold of these.